Good coffee, Chewy. Good coffee. Buenos días, damas y caballeros, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes. Welcome to the most monumental channel here on YouTube. DEIVED is my name. The show Let's Trade Live, where we talk about the stock market, take a look at the news, and we even do some technical analysis. Happy Friday to all, ladies and gentlemen. Holy mofongo. Another week down to the record books. Let me know, how did it go for you in the chat room or in the comment section? How was that trading journey going this week? What was that golden nugget that you have learned? And what is that golden nugget you want to share with all the community? Ladies and gentlemen, hopefully the sound is alrighty, ready to go this morning. My voice is a little bit out, but you know what? We gotta do it. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to go ahead and like this video. Do a Hadouken, man. Go ahead and do a Hadouken, man. Come on, when can you do a Hadouken during your day? And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you get notified every time we are online. And the Amazon gift card giveaway will be coming up soon. Roar. Because it's already December 11th, guys, and I'll be taking a break pretty soon. Yes. Yes, I'll be taking a little bit of a break because, guys, almost non-stop for almost 2 years. Excellent. But I just need to rest. I need to go to Puerto Rico, recharge a little bit of my batteries. And ladies and gentlemen, I know that you are wondering, David, how are the futures looking like? Well, my friend, we are gonna find out. So don't go just yet. Me and Chewy, we're gonna investigate for all of you. Remember, the videos are for entertainment and learning purposes. By no means, I'm a financial advisor. No. And guys, over here, let's remove this image. And as expected, Bitcoin went down. As we expected, mira, 17,550. The 200 EMA over there on the 4-hour starting to show interesting signs, something that I want to keep an eye on. This is where I start to ask myself, will Bitcoin actually now go up? Because yesterday it was a fake out. Over here, it was a fake out, but the EMA showed me there's still a lot of bearish momentum. So today is going to be a very interesting day for Bitcoin. Maybe during the weekend it will move, but I see consolidation over here for quite a bit. And I wouldn't mind that because Bitcoin has blessed us for quite a bit. So if there's any other downside for Bitcoin, I'm going to capitalize on the opportunity because you know how it is, guys. You know how I am. I always wait for the right moment to capitalize, okay? And for Bitcoin, that's what we got. Let's go ahead and move forward. Say hi in the chat room. Before I get there, I'm gonna review the summary of the news. Submit your favorite symbols because today it is Friday. I feel that it's a little bit lighter than usual in the news cycle. But I do want to review a few symbols. Like, for example, guys, we're gonna review Sanofi, GSK, just because they have an article. PFIZER, obviously, Dynavax. I want to take a look at Walmart, Ericsson, Disney. Once again, guys, we reviewed Disney. I was going to say the wrong word, the wrong consonant in front of Disney. Oh, my. Be careful. Don't put a J. AMZ, EV stocks, which obviously we're going to cover Ideonomics today. I found an article that I just want to review. I want to share it with all of you, and I will make it a clip. I'm going to review Intel, Tilray, and there you go, guys. That's what we're going to do. Let's see what we got, guys. Man, oh man, my voice is a little bit out. Zumba. Weba. Oh, my. Futures fall 1% on Brexit shadow. Uncertain stimulus. Man, this stimulus conversation keeps on going and going. Dude, you should pay freaking 10 months, for a lifetime. $1,000 for a lifetime. U.S. stocks index futures have turned around over the last few of hours, pointing to a 1% decline at the open. As sentiment followed European equities into the red amid talks about a disruptive Brexit. We've been thinking for a long time that these comments are a negotiating tactic and that it is important for both sides to get a deal, said Seema Shah, chief strategist at Principal Global Advisors. But we've seen concerns starting to creep in this week that if the gap is too wide between the two sides, then maybe it can be breached. If an agreement can be struck this weekend, both sides are preparing for a significant border disruption affecting trade worth close to $900 billion a year. U.S. coronavirus relief talks, and, I didn't say it correctly. Maybe Cardi, how do you say it? How do you say the...
Guess what, bitch? Coronavirus!
Thank you, Cardi. Talks also face fresh setbacks, with Senate Republicans suggesting they couldn't accept some aspect of a $900 billion bipartisan proposal despite rising U.S. unemployment claims. These guys, man. The thing is, guys, that sometimes they want to try to make the other one look bad, and they add some stuff that they don't need. So it's not only the Republicans, it's the freaking Democrats. Come on, man, get your stuff together. What the heck, dude? You guys are dumb, man. Get out of the freaking office if you can make a decision fast. So how many companies can make so much faster decisions and the government is all like, oh, I don't know. I don't want to see it. But David, I don't want to see the other guy have success. Come on, man. Don't be stupid. Everybody needs to have success. One country, everybody gets together, one race, and it's only the human race. What the heck, dude? Do you want to see people suffer and be freaking... Oh, come on, dude. Salamanga. Anyways. Moving forward. EU sets out contingency measures in case of Brexit disruption. There is now a strong possibility that we will have a solution that is more like an Australian relationship with the EU. Boris Johnson said in his first remarks since a crunch meeting in Brussels, suggesting a no-deal Brexit may be in the cards. Again! Oh, what does that look like? Cranberry. Oh, Canberra. Largely does business with the EU. Sorry, guys, my voice is like literally going. Based on World Trade Organization rules and has few other arrangements in place, such as cooperation on science and trade in wine. With negotiations between the UK and EU still hung up over fishing rights, a competitive playing field, and enforcement some plan B. Details are surfacing in case an agreement doesn't materialize before a weekend deadline. Shortly before Johnson's announcement, the EU released its Brexit backup plan, including a short list on ensuring basic reciprocal air and road connectivity, as well as the possibility of reciprocal fishing access. Slight caveat, most of the contingency measures will need compliance from the UK side of any plans. From Britain will need the same. Negotiations are still ongoing. However, given the end of the transition is very near, there is no guarantee that if and when an agreement is found, it can enter into force on time. Our responsibility is to prepare for all eventualities, said European Commission President Ursula. Not from the Little Mermaid, guys. And guys, that is it for the news. Leaving Bitcoin over here. Bitcoin. Mira para allá, man. Mira para allá. 1 hour, starting to become bullish. What the heck? Come on, Bitcoin. Let's see who we got in the chat room. Let's say hi to everybody. And obviously, we got the one and only, yes, sir, SoCal X. Good morning. Good morning, mofongos. Yes, shoeies and shoeettes. Brian Lopez. Bienvenido, bienvenido. Happy Friday indeed, man. Yoti or Hoti or Hoti Ortiz.
Boom shakalaka.
Zumba, mi hermanillo. Serrawen, bienvenido.
Boom shakalaka.
Cameron Walker, obviously.
Boom shakalaka.
Good morning, everyone. People following collective growth, CGRO, are profiting in this morning. Nicely done. Betty Figuración, bienvenida.
Boom shakalaka.
Let's see. Another blessed day. Oh, yeah. Buenos dias, nalgas frías. Planning to get in today at Fastly. Already have fuel cell and planning to get in CRIS today. Thanks, Fastly, CRS, and fuel cell.
Boom shakalaka!
Let me add it to the list real quick. FSLY, CRIS, FCEL. And then we got Danny Corrales, obviously, as well.
Boom
We
shakalaka!
got Flor de Oro,
Boom shakalaka!
DJ Mapstar.
Boom
Buenos dias,
shakalaka!
mi amigos. Tony Janis, obviously.
Boom shakalaka!
I can't skip Tony.
Bruh.
And Jer Bear.
Boom shakalaka!
Boom chakalaka to all of you.
Bruh.
Hopefully you guys are doing amazing today. It is Friday. And I am loving it, guys. I am gonna be having so much rest. I need to rest my voice already. And let's go ahead and move forward. What do you think, Chewy? Let's do it. Let's start with Sanofi GSK. I want to get rid of the news today fast so I can get to talk about your favorite symbols, guys. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's do some technical analysis after we review the news, guys. Vaccine from Sanofi GSK won't be ready until late 2021. I think that's the most important thing of that. So let's do Sanofi over here. Biggie, can you see that we're going to look at Sanofi? And Sanofi, guys, on the same as freaking Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is doing it on the 4-hour. This is on the daily, which is not a bad thing. But actually, SNY, it's SNY, sorry, here we go. SNY, I just don't invest in it. It's too messy for me. I don't invest in it for that particular reason. If it gets to drop, I'm going to capitalize on the opportunity. Sanofi for now, mira, even on the pre-market, guys, it's down. Let me see, from 49.74. Let's see over here real quick. Biggie, can you see that we're looking at Sanofi? Sanofi. Actually, I can't look at the SN. Let me see. SNY? No. I can't check this one pre-market. Anyways, GSK. GlaxoSmithKline. I don't know. GSK. 37.97 was yesterday's close. Today's 37.72. So that article actually is making it go lower, guys. I mean, it was needed, right? And we'll see what it will do next. Actually, I don't mind GlaxoSmith. Glaxo needs to break $40. If it gets to break that $39 level, I think $40 could be a good price point. And then it can go up after that. Right now, I'm not getting in. But I just wanted to review it because their vaccine will be delayed, okay, guys? And you know who won't have the vaccine delayed is PFIZER. And PFIZER today, ladies and gentlemen, check this out. PFIZER raises dividend by 3%. PFIZER declares 39 cents per share quarterly dividend, 2.6% increase from the prior dividend of 0.38. Forward yield 3.74% payable March 5th for shareholders of record January 29th, ex-div January 28th. Our commitment to returning capital to shareholders is strong, and the dividend increase reflects our continued confidence in the business and in our scientific pipeline, stated Dr. Alberto Borla, PFIZER chairman and CEO. It also reinforces that our focus on creating meaningful value for patients benefits all our stakeholders. With that said, I want to review PFE. Biggie, can you see that we're going to look at PFE? Guys, PFIZER. Man, that entry at 35, huh? That entry. But David, you don't say anything. You don't do analysis, David. $42.52. But David, it did go up. It did go up, David. Your analysis, yeah. I'm gonna dislike your video, David. But I had some profit. Look at that, 2% already in the pre-market, guys. Our entry is at 35. Wow, what patience does, guys. Look at that. Patience is the name of the game. Already 20% up and getting some dividends. What? Wow, that is insane, ladies and gentlemen. I feel that I did some beautiful pat myself in the back, and let's go ahead and move forward. Let's see what we got. Dynavax. Let's get rid of the biosector first, guys. And let's look at Dynavax. I think that Dynavax has a lot of potential. And Dynavax rises 4% as EMA backs marketing application for Hep B. The European Medicines Agency Advisory Group, CHMP, has adopted a positive opinion, recommending the marketing authorization of Dynavax technologies, Hep B, for the active immunization against hepatitis B virus infection in adults 18 years of age and older. The European Commission is expected to make a final decision on the marketing application in the first quarter 2021. If approved, Dynavax will receive marketing authorization for Hep B in all EU member states. Pre-market is making moves. Let's see what we got. 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 What? But David, you're so cringy. Ooh. Okay, dude. Do I need to look sexy? Do I need to be shirtless in all my thumbnails? Do I need to be the best rapper ever? Do I need to do reggaeton to be cool? Come on, guys. Everybody have different opinions. Mira, you know who's successful? Freaking Gordon Ramsay. You know what Gordon Ramsay does? He freaking cooks, okay? And he is a freaking entrepreneur, and he has done it amazingly, guys. A TV personality and everything. Do you think... I don't know, guys. I appreciate a lot Gordon Ramsay. You know, he sometimes is a little bit rude, but look. No, Gordon, I haven't finished. Gordon, I'm just starting. Dude, I'm starting to look. Gordon, stop it. Thank you. Okay, guys, Dynavax over here. Let's see. So Dynavax yesterday closed at $4.57. Where are we today? Let's see over here. DVAX. 474 for Dynavax. And I thought I was losing my voice. 474. Mira, 3.99%. I really think that Dynavax has a lot of room for growth. But David, where do you think it would? Well, maybe if you're not confident in Dynavax because whatever, let's do it technically. Let's add a buy stop over here. I will add a buy stop over here as $5.85, around that, or $6. I still think there's great potential to go to the upside with around 110%. That is a good return. I think that DVAX has some great potential. With that article, it can go up. Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section. What do you think? Are we going to be doing some... Or will we go down to the bottom of the ocean and visit SpongeBob? Okay? Well, let's go and check out Walmart. I want to get Walmart out of the way. And I'll say hi once again to everybody once I'm done with Walmart. Paste and go. me. Guys, my voice is a little bit funky today. I'm going to be very honest. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because that's why, dude, I do this every freaking day. Even when I'm sick, even when I don't have a voice, I still do these freaking videos because I like them. I like the energy from everybody. So don't forget to go ahead and smash the like button. And if you're a member, give me some Hadoukens. Give me some coins in the chat room. Make it live. Make it beautiful. Walmart mobilizes to help in vaccination distribution. Hey, what happened? Walmart says it is preparing its more than 5,000 pharmacies to receive vaccine doses. The preparation work includes making sure stores have freezers in all its pharmacies, as well as dry ice to handle any requirements for storing the vaccine. The retail giant says it is entering into agreements with states to be able to support vaccinations where needed. whether that is in pharmacies or long-term care facilities where the states determine they need help. Processes are also being put in place to inform people on when to receive the first and second doses of the report successful vaccinations. With 90% of the American population living within 10 miles of a Walmart, we will play an important part in making sure those who want a vaccine can get one when they are eligible based on their state's prioritization, especially those in hard-to-reach parts of the country that have recently been hit hard by the epidemic. Holy mofongo! Thank you very, very much, Lean Lee, for that Hadouken. And welcome to the channel.
Boom shakalaka!
Yes, guys, shares of Walmart are flat in pre-market trading, but are up 23.7%. So let's do it right now. WMT. Man, my voice is a little bit gone. Oh man, I gotta do the Pavarotti. Guys, look at this. So $147.04 was yesterday's close for Walmart. WMT over here for all of you. 146.65. And that alone is a great opportunity, guys. I don't think that is a bad price point. I'm gonna be very honest. And if it gets to drop to 140 once again, I'm gonna get in once again. They pay dividends. I think they have the right infrastructure, the right structure, and they have been evolving in many, many ways. Walmart, I know it kind of sucks, but sometimes it kind of makes sense. You know, mamas and papas shops get beaten down by Walmart, but the thing is that Walmart just makes it accessible and available to everybody, so we gotta rethink the way we make business, I guess, right? So let me know in the chat room, let me know in the comment section. Now I'm gonna leave Bitcoin over here as the background, obviously. On the 4 hour, as you can see, we hit that 200 EMA. We started to create a candle, a bullish candle, very, very interesting. In 2 minutes, it will close the 1 hour candle, guys. You can see, I still remember when we said over here on this area, I was like, man, this actually looks like it's gonna do this. He did it, guys. He did it. Perfect. Perfect. And let's see who we got over here in La Casa Melasa. So we got over here, one of the, I don't know why Kulin hasn't entered the kingdom. Maybe he's off to an adventure over there with some of his friends.
Roar.
But King Kulin and La Casa.
Boom
King
shakalaka!
Kulin, you gotta become a member and participate of our kingdom in the Discord. Tony Jana says, so sleepy. Literally just rolled out of bed. Tony, sometimes it's hard, my friend. It is hard for me, but sometimes you gotta say Cowabunga and go. just do it in the morning. Cowabunga, just go. Wappa. We got JC. Welcome to the channel, mi hermanillo.
Boom shakalaka!
Good to see you. Oh, man. Be stuck in trim jail for 3 straight days. Didn't get sleep till after 2 a.m. from having too much to finish. I gotta hire someone next time. Man, sometimes invest the money. You know, make that money work for you. Good morning, Tom. How are you? Good
Boom
to see
shakalaka!
you. Obviously, we got Boom Chaka Waka.
Boom shakalaka!
Waka Waka. Nio shopping day today.
Shut up and take my money.
Let's see. Chewy love his food. Dude, Chewy will devour Gordon Ramsay completely. Let's see over here. Bitcoin going to see SpongeBob Bobby again. Bitcoin had a good party with him in 2017. Yeah, but right now, bitty Bitcoin close bullish on the 1 hour. I'm still waiting for this trend line. I'm still David from the Black. Let's see over here, guys. And my voice sucks. My voice is bad today. Lin Lee, bienvenido. Good to see you once again.
Boom shakalaka!
Let's see over here. Money going to get out of China EV and pumping to Tesla. Huge search today. Oh, dude, I got an article about that.
It's me, Mario.
Mario, what the heck? I'm not going to talk about Nintendo now. Let's see, David, I watch everyone I miss from you, and I heard you talk about me yesterday. I live in the UK, so when you air is 2 a.m. No! Waka Waka! Waka Waka, dude, is that you get here, Waka Waka, when Tesla is down, and when Tesla is up, you're not here, dude. It's like, Waka Waka, where are you, man? Let's see over here. Cameron Walker. Oh, Tony Janus. He did it. He did the. Okay. En Marcenchi. En la casa Melaza. Once again.
Boom shakalaka.
Good morning. Okay, guys. We got 22 views. Or actually 20 views. Some people are like, ooh, cringy. I'm not going there. And 16 likes. Let's see. Good, Waka Waka. I am glad that you heard me. But did you understand me? Okay, let's start with Ericsson. Ericsson is a conversation about 5G, or is part of the conversation of 5G. So let's go ahead and add a stream marker over here. Ericsson slides 7% as it files to sue Samsung Electronics. Ericsson has filed a lawsuit against Samsung Electronics in the U.S. for violating contractual commitments and caution on delayed royalty payments and legal costs, for which Samsung will have to bear costs between 1 to 1.5 billion Swedish kroner, or the Swedish kron. How do you the kiwi? I think they call it the kiwi, a quarter. The company is ready to negotiate in good faith and to license patents on fair, reasonable, and non-discriminatory terms and conditions. The FRAND system allows access to intellectual property developed by contributors like Ericsson on FRAND terms and conditions, and rewards contributors for their upfront investment in research and development. Ericsson further commented that is in talks over several license renewals, which could lead to delay in receiving intellectual property royalties, though unpaid royalties are expected to be recovered when talks conclude and the contracts are agreed. The friend. Okay, let's look at Ericsson. Biggie, can you see that we're gonna look at Ericsson? Ericsson on the daily. It was looking pretty nice, but still in a trend. Line. If it goes down, it's an opportunity, I guess, guys, especially when Ericsson is working with so much technology, 5G technology. 1178. So we are down 420. Chewy, your favorite number, dude. Holy mofongo, guys. What a move. And you know what? That's it for Ericsson. You know what I'm going to take a look at? I'm going to look at Nokia. And by the way, we're going to look at Airbnb as well. By the way, shout out to everybody who got in Airbnb, got some profit on the short term. A little bit risky, but amazing. And we'll see. I'm actually expecting Airbnb to hold the price. If it holds the price right now, it will be a good thing. We're going to review the charts even though we don't have a lot of details. But Nokia over here, guys. Nokia showing us, oh, no, espérate, this is not it, David. This is not it. There you go. That's the one. And Nokia, $4.20 yesterday, waking up at a lower price point. I just think that Nokia will require more patience than ever. $4.07 is the current price, guys. We're down a little bit, but we are getting close. Very, very freaking close, guys. I want to see Nokia break a trend line. It's going to take a lot of time. And after that trend line retest, that's when I'm going to consider it. Oh, man, Nokia. I want to see it above the 200 EMA, guys. That $5 is such an important price point. Okay, let me see over here in the chat room. We got M. Torres. Bienvenido.
Boom shakalaka!
SBE and Nio offering shares and going down. They have been trading low for several weeks. M. Torres finally giving us some freaking discounts. After the expect massive surge of past 50s, I saw Ericsson too slow of a movement. Yeah. No, Danny, no fear of missing out, dude. There's so many opportunities out there. You know how it is, dude. You know how it is. Waka Waka, I have told everyone NIO to 20s for past several weeks. I don't know if 20s. I think that 30s, 33s. 33s NIO. Did someone said 420? Chewy said it. Yeah. Gison Park, welcome to the channel.
Boom shakalaka!
TGIF, yes, TGIF. That is huge. What is huge? What? Guys, come on. When you comment, please give me a little bit of context. I'm not following everything. You guys have things in your mind, and you are expecting for me to understand what you're saying. But if you say a statement, make sure to follow up with a little bit of more context. Dude, I'm not Walter Mercado. I mean, I got his flow and style, and I'm good looking. I think I'm a little bit better than him, but I'm not Walter Mercado, dude. Let's go ahead and move to this one. Y mucho amor. Guys, what the heck? Kardashians come to Disney with streaming content in 2021. Wow.
Maybe if you had a business that you were passionate about, then you would know what it takes to run a business, but you don't. So don't even act like you know what I'm talking about.
This is coming to Disney? Reality TV's royal family, the Kardashians, have inked a deal with Disney to launch new content in 2021 on the entertainment giants Hulu and Star streaming subsidiaries. Exactly, Chewy. Details about the project are scant, but matriarch Kris Jenner said in a tweet that it was a multi-year partnership. Strategic shift. The Kardashians appear to be going all in on streaming after stepping away cable television. Oh, logical. They made the right decision, guys. Which is declining in the U.S. The family recently ended Ease Keeping Up with the Kardashians after 20 seasons. Holy mofongo, guys. 20 seasons is insane. Or almost 14 years after its debut. Wow. Other new content news announced at Disney's Investor Day include 10 Star Wars spin-off series following the success of The Mandalorian. Christian Bale joining the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Tom Hanks starring in a Pinocchio remake.
Oh my.
Mind blown. Tom Hanks, Uncle Tom, one of my favorite actors, guys. Well, Amy Adams' 2007 film Enchanted will have a sequel entitled Disenchanted. I think that out of this, Pinocchio. Guys, Pinocchio is such an amazing movie, but such a weird movie too. I don't know. You know how Pinocchio knew how he was made out of wood? Chewy! No! Do you have to say it, dude? Oh my god. Oh my god. Chewy, this is a family show, dude. Oh my god, guys. Disney Plus wraps Investor Day with $1 higher per month price bump, projecting 230 to 260 million subs by 2024. Interesting. Disney wrapped up an eventful Investor Day presentation focused on its revamped direct-to-consumer approach, but not without some key financial news. It's raising the price of Disney Plus on March 26 to $7.99 from $6.99. The rationale for the increase is clear for anyone who sat through hours of presentation of a sea of new content coming to the service, with heavy development contributions from all the Mouse House variation brands. At its April 2019 Investor Day, the company projected Disney Plus content expense for fiscal 2020 will be about $2 billion. And for fiscal 2024, it will be in the mid $4 billion range. But now it expects content spent in 2024 will be more like $8 billion to $9 billion. Subscribers can choose to pay $7.99 monthly, $79.99 for a whole year. The move also raises the price of the 3-service bundle Disney offers in the US. Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus will now cost $13.99 month bundled. Disney is expecting to release 100 new titles per year. That is insane. 100 new titles per year. That includes 10 Star Wars series and 10 Marvel series, as well as 15 Disney Pixar series and 15 more Disney Pixar feature films for the service. And given that the companies, and that actually makes sense, because if it's animated, then the pandemic is not going to be an issue, right? And given that the companies essentially are already arrived at the high end of its subscriber projection range for the end of 2024, it set a new 4-year target, 230, 260 subs by 2024, which we said already like 3 times. That's basically triples its initial projections, and across its streaming services is forecasting 300 to 350 million subs by 2024, which is insane. At the April 2019 Investor Day, it expected Disney Plus peak operating losses will come somewhere between fiscal 2020 and fiscal 2022. It's now narrowed that, expecting peak operating losses in fiscal 2021, but now has the same expectation for profitability in the fiscal 2024. Disney wrapped the after-hours trading session up 4%. And with that said, let's review Disney. Oh, it's not going to be on Disney Plus. The Kardashians are going to be on Hulu. Mira. I don't know what the heck they're doing, but whatever. I guess they know that this attracts a lot of people, but you can see that. Where is it? Where the heck did I read this, man? Disney to Entertainment, Hulu and Star streaming subsidy. See, it will be in Hulu and Star. So thankfully, not in Disney Plus. And Disney capitalizing on the opportunity. Mira para allá. Guys, we said it here. 135 will be a good price point. Where is freaking Disney today? Holy mofongo! Dude, we're doing a
Monster kill.
You know where we at? $166.90, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, already 8% in the beginning of the day. Mira para allá. On the last entry, 21. On our crash entry, 67%. Congratulations for those who capitalize on this beautiful, beautiful opportunity. Holy mofongo, making profit over here, making profit over there. And I still agree. We can, I see 200s. I see 200s. If you see Netflix, I think Disney is heading to that direction, guys. And then when Disney is all settled down and the parks are reopened and everything, I think we're going to start getting some dividends. Hopefully, we will see what it will do, guys. We will definitely keep an eye on it. Beautiful move. Wow, what a beautiful day. Thank goodness it's Friday and Disney is kicking booty. Let's see, we got TC en la Casa Melaza. Whoa. Thank you very, very much, Tony Yanis. Blessing us over here with a... Thank you very, very much, my friend. Insane. Thank you for the support, guys. We do this every day. You know how it is, guys. Even when I lose my voice, I'm doing it. Oh my God, Disney indeed. Can you please hint what time of your current video do you discuss Tesla? I searched your video just and now. Can you please hint at Tesla ASA? What? James Jerry, welcome to the channel, my friend.
Boom shakalaka.
I haven't discussed Tesla today. I did it yesterday, and every time I do a video, I add some timestamps, my friend. See, shopping spree indeed. Oh my God, Disney. What's hint your viewpoints of Tesla and lower buy low and sell high points? Whoa. I will show you, my friend. Don't worry. I got you. getting Airbnb at this price? I don't know, man. I want to see a little bit of better rejection, some support level. There's people that actually had the opportunity to enter in the price point that I wanted, which was 68. 68 made sense. 160 doesn't make sense to me. But you know what? That's fine. It can go down. But Nio at $4, but I guess I could buy more. Flor de Oro, you and I on the same page. What? Yeah. Let's see over here. Waka Waka. Oh, man, Waka Waka is going to buy a lot. Waka Waka is not the disc. He's not a member. He doesn't want to be a member for some reason. But let him be. Let him be. Yahoo! Let's see. Cringe. I am a little bit cringy. I'm waiting for an Idex. Got 5,000 shares. Dude. Shui, are you really going to start shooting at me with the Star Wars blaster? Holy mofongo, this guy. Man, don't do that again, dude. We're going to do Idex. My friend Ángel Rodríguez, bienvenido, mi hermanillo. Gusto en verlo.
Boom shakalaka!
Oh, okay, not as bad then. Not as bad. You know, but I just don't like, sometimes that people want to be like.
If you had a business that you were passionate about, then you would know what it takes to run a business, but you don't. So don't even act like you know what I'm talking about.
Roar!
I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't understand that family. Angel, don't say to the moon. Angel, I'm gonna recommend you something. A lot of people will give you a hard time if you say to the moon in this channel, especially me.
Oh yeah!
The moon has a resistance, you know? Yeah, I saw the Airbnb price yesterday and was like, nope, no thank you. Yeah, there's so many opportunities out there, you know, with a better risk-reward ratio that you can actually understand. See, hey, David, I know we touched base on about pharmaceutical companies and forgot to ask what you think about ALT, nozzle spray COVID vaccine, can store at ambient temp, storage and needle-free, alt muy bueno. Well, let's see, ALT. I'm going to do it right now, my friend. Why did I leave Bitcoin with this view? I sucked. Okay, guys, let's do ALT. Oh, alt immune, dude. I remember this. I actually got some alt immune. So the only thing for alt immune is that let me go ahead and start adding some support and resistance. And guys, check out the link that says join. Check out the button that says join below. You can become a member and kick some booty. And do some Hadoukens as well, guys. Do some Hadoukens. Be part of the Discord conversation. I love the Discord conversation. I'm always trying to be as proactive as I can. I'm always posting charts when the discussion is ongoing. Alt immune, mira, Danny, if we break the resistance of 1567, we can kick some booty. Right? Does it make sense? But we need to wait. I think waiting will be a better thing for this one. 1269. Let's see real quick. Papo, Disney 167. Oh my God, Disney is kicking so much booty that I feel like they are Chuck Norris. $12.30. $12.30. It's not bad. It's not bad. 0.7. As I said, a break of a resistance will be the most appreciated thing. Welcome to the community, Ángel Rodríguez. Man, welcome. Thank you for that sub, my friend.
Boom shakalaka!
Kicking booty. Oh, espérate. Thanks, great channel and funny as.
Roar!
Let's see. Lin Lee. Hadoukens, indeed, Lin Lee.
Hadouken!
Sundial, NASDAQ News, Healthy Young Food. Welcome to the channel. Even when I have a freaking broken voice.
Boom shakalaka!
Welcome, my friend. Welcome. Be back in a few minutes. It's good. It's good. Okay, guys. I'm going to add Sundial over here to the list as well. I'm going to give a little bit of priority to Sundial before I do Intel, okay? SNDL. But now I want to take a look at AMC. I only got 2 more articles, guys. I got EV stocks and Ideonomics coming up. That's it. I don't think I'm going to review way more. I mean, we can just review the news and see if there's anything that catches our eye. But I just want to review AMC because the vaccines are coming out pretty soon. And this is going to be a very, very interesting. Am I the morning ritual? Thank you. Guys, you gotta go to Healthy Young Food. Go to their YouTube channel. Yes, Chewy, you gotta go to Healthy Young Food's YouTube channel and tell them David and Chewy send a lot of love. Don't you think that's a beautiful thing? We're spreading the love, Chewy. Okay, I'm glad that you agree, okay? Okay, AMC over here, entertainment, to issue 21.9 million shares. Updates on liquidity. So here we go, guys. AMC Entertainment, negative 4%, committed to issue an aggregate of almost 22 million common shares in a private placement. The common shares will be issued as consideration for the commitment provided by Mudrick with respect to the notes and the second lien exchange. As of November 30th, 2020, the company was operating at 404 of its 594 U.S. theaters with limited seating capacities and during limited opening hours. During the fourth quarter from October 1st, 2020 to November 30th, 2020, we have experienced an overall attendance decline in the U.S. of 92%. The company estimates that its cash and cash equivalents at November 30th, 2020 is $320 million versus $417.9 million at September 30th, 2020. Excluding the impact of the ATM offerings, average monthly cash burn rate is $125 million during October and November. In the absence of additional liquidity, the company anticipates that existing cash resources will be depleted during January 2021 to remain viable through 2021. The company currently estimates that it will require at least approximately $750 million of additional liquidity to fund its cash requirements, although these estimates is subject to a number of assumptions and may vary materially. With that said, let me go ahead and take a look at AMC. I have been reviewing it. I've been waiting for them to break a price, and it hasn't. So let's see. Oh, woo! Oh, yeah? What? Espérate, papo, que AMC. No me diga mi hermanillo, que AMC is starting to look very interesting to me once again, guys. Let me remove all these freaking arrows. Let me do this real quick. Let me clean this. Let me clean it. Let me clean this once again. Okay, let me follow the trend line. So let me follow the original trend line, which is this. This, I'm going to leave it, which aligns to the 200 EMA, which is good. And let me go ahead and do another trend line over here, which is going to be very key for me. Let me clean this chart a little bit. Let me clean this. It's just I have resistance levels that I just agree with. I still want to see this resistance break of 780s, but I think that by $5 over here, if we break this $5 level, we're gonna rock it, but not to the moon. AMC over here, $4.13. Even though they were down a little bit pre-market, 4%, actually we are up today, guys, from 409 for 413. And if we get to break above the 50 EMA, I'm looking at this target, which is 121%. As I said, with the optimism about the vaccine, that's going to be very much helpful for us to make a better decision on AMC. And I think that a lot of people may want to go to the freaking movies and get some stupid popcorn. I mean, not stupid. Let's put it. Get some popcorn. Hopefully the employees will salt it correctly and make it right, and get some sticky floors. Why not? I think people want to experience the sticky floors from the movie theaters. You can't do that at home, otherwise tu mamá te va a dar un chancletazo, okay?
Oh no!
So don't spill the Coke or the Coca-Cola. No, don't think about that. Don't think about that, Chewy. I'm not getting there. This is a family-friendly show, okay? A family-friendly show. $120 will be a lovely thing. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and move forward. I think it is time for us to keep on kicking booty with the EV stocks. Who in here has invested in the EV stock market? Let me know right now in the comment section. Where are my members? Members, give me some coins or give me some in the chat room. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna review EV stocks. China's auto sales saw double-digit growth in November, led by EV sales.
Roar!
As the market recovers, China's sales of SUVs, minivans, and sedans rose by double digits in November. But I'm telling you guys, November was the best month. It's not because it's my birthday. I mean, it is, and that's why it is. But it had other things that happened. But we're below pre-pandemic levels for the year. No. Sales rose 11.6% to 2.3 million, according to the China Association of Automobile Manufacturers. Total vehicle sales, including trucks and buses, rose 12.6% to 2.8 million, holding steady at October's growth rate. Retail sales of cars, SUVs, and multiple-purpose vehicles gained 7.8% to 2.11 million. And wholesale of new energy vehicles, including electric cars, more than doubled to 169 units this month. Chuy, compórtese, Dios mío, este caballero. Rising sales of electric cars from Tesla, BYD, Co., and Nio are aiding to fuel the rebound. Tesla sold 21,604 vehicles in China during the month. YTD passenger vehicle sales were down 7.6% for the year at 17.8 million, and sales of commercial vehicles rose 20.6% to 4.7 million. Next year, passenger vehicle sales may rise as much as 15%, according to the State Information Center, and passenger vehicle sales, excluding minivans, will rise 7%, led by NEV sales increasing about 35% to 1.7 million units, PCA forecast. November sales of all electric and gasoline electric hybrid vehicles more than doubled, rising 104.9%, and YTD sales edged back above pre-virus levels with 3.9% for the year growth. YTD sales of heavy-duty trucks surged 39% to 1.5 million units. Full-year auto sales are on track to decline for a third year after hitting a peak in 2017. Monthly automobile sales in China from October 2019 to October 2020 in 1,000 units. With that said, obviously, we got to review Tesla, okay? We got to review Nio. I see Candy in the list, so let's do Candy. LI, why not? Let's do XPEV. I think I want to do GM as well. And after this, I want to take a look at Fuel Cell, because Fuel Cell is one of those green energy companies that, I mean, you know what I'm talking about. Fuel Cell, and then BL&K is the other one that I want to review. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. I want to take a look at Tesla. Who in here capitalized on Tesla, ladies and gentlemen? Let's see. Wow, I'm loving that everybody is providing the beautiful coins over here in the chat room, guys. Wow. And by the way, there's going to be new emojis coming soon. So when I come back, we're going to blast off right.
Boom shakalaka!
Tesla over here. Ladies and gentlemen, woo! Tesla yesterday did a bullish candle to $627. I know it's a little bit messy in my chart, but you know what? I'm gonna leave all of these targets that I have. So actually, this one I don't need. This, oh, actually I did need it, but you know what? I'm gonna keep it here. You know, I'm gonna move this one. Waka, we almost got to your target, man. But we were doing good. So, from 627, where is Tesla this morning? Let's see. Tesla, $615. So, we're down. But, David, we're down 1.9%. That's only 1.9%, dude. Let's look at the weekly. The weekly is still bullish. I want to see Tesla candle close. I think that there could be today, guys. I think in the beginning it's gonna be a little bit red, but it may end a little bit bullish. I want to see the weekly candle close for almost everything. December is not gonna be the best month for us. I think January, February, those are the months that we're gonna be looking forward to. The reason is not only the new administration is gonna be coming out, is that the quarterly reports are gonna be the ones that may move the market. And Tesla, and by the way, NIO Day is coming up soon, so So Tesla 615.16. It's not a bad movement. I like the rejection that it has created. I know some of you have been capitalizing on any drop, and right now it's not bad. I think Tesla is gonna be a long-term investment for me, as you already know. Can I take a look at FSR? FSR, yes, I can take a look at FSR. Let me add it after candy. Okay, let me see real quick before I get to NIO. Real quick, Cameron Walker. Sundial has been one of the most heavily traded tickers outside of market hours for about a week. Very interesting to watch on Market Chameleon. Indeed, indeed. No problem. I think someone knows something about pot stocks. Indeed, indeed. Crystal B, welcome to the channel.
Boom shakalaka!
I bought some Airbnb yesterday. Should I sell when the market opens? It really depends on your strategy. Because if you're making profit, profit is profit, right? But I think Airbnb is a long-term investment. I do think it's a little bit too expensive, so I want to keep an eye on it if it gets to drop. So I don't know. There's not a lot of structure. Just to give you a little bit of a clarity, Crystal, I'm going to review the charts, but the expectations of Airbnb opening was $60 to $68. So think about that. Your birthday is November 29th. Psst. The best month ever. From the EVs, right, seems to be the only green today. BlackBerry to pressure Xpeng for an agreement, huh? FSR, we're going to do it. Good morning, community. Let's get this Friday popping. Set Fat Nuts hanging over here.
Boom shakalaka!
Welcome, welcome. And Jota, Tesla from 254. Very, very good, Jota. We've been riding Tesla since the pre-market split. Pre-split. But it doesn't matter. It's a beautiful thing that you capitalize on the opportunity. And everybody capitalize on the opportunity. 254 is an amazing and incredible price point to enter. Right now at 615, I think that is a beautiful, beautiful. Congratulations, my friends who capitalize on Tesla. But question to all of you. Will Tesla go down, or will Tesla finally go to 700 or 1,000? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I wanna hear you out. So, NIO, ladies and gentlemen, one of those symbols that we have reviewed. We reviewed NIO since it was at $2. We saw the whole movement. Let's see what we got. NIO today, or actually yesterday, closed at 45.22. NIO today, we already know that it's gonna be going down in the beginning of the day because of the ADS offerings. Was it ADS, right? Let me see real quick. I think I got the symbol over here. Yeah, so basically they're raising funds. Yep, 60 million ADS. But David, 42.55. 42.55 for NIO. So we are down. That's around 5.5%. I think if NIO gets to drop more, that will be a blessing. Like I wish that NIO can go to 35. Will it do it? I don't know. I'm going to keep an eye on it. If it does, I'm going to capitalize on the opportunity. Be patient about it, right? Be patient. Break of a trend line. If it gets confirmations, then I will enter. But right now, let it do its thing. It needs to marinate. It needs to be cooked. Because otherwise, Gordon Ramsay will be screaming at us. And he will be saying, Look
at this! Look!
Dude, you even make my... Oh, my goodness. Gordon, stop it. I said that we're going to wait. Don't you wait? Aren't you patient, Gordon, when the turkey is in the oven? Come on, dude. Let it cook. Let it do its thing. I'm going to wait for NIO to drop. I mean, I'm very happy with my positions. I still think that there is potential upside. Credit Suisse has it at 60. Deutsche Bank has it at 50s. Any drop will be fine. And that will be a great opportunity, guys. So let's be patient about NIO. What do you think? Will we go? Mira, I got a few price points, guys. Do you think it will go to... Let's look at the weekly. Okay, let me remove this. Let me make it clearer for all of you. Will we go to $35? I actually like 35 a lot. Some of you have been saying 20s, 25. Citron actually has it at 25. I don't know. Maybe yes, maybe not. Moving forward. Candy. I want candy. Bam, 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 bam. So candy, ladies and gentlemen, have been getting a rough week. And as you can see, it's bullish. Not that bad, though. If I were to enter candy, which I'm not right now, I will wait for $9.84. I think that this can drop a little bit to $6.47. I want to keep an eye on it. $8.20 is the pre-market. Makes sense. No confirmations for me. No entries right now. A lot of rejections, guys, over here. You can see those wicks bigger than the body. That is saying, hey, we got to go down, bro. We got to go down, bro. So if it drops, maybe on the 200 EMA 750, maybe I'll consider it. Maybe. I don't know. Then FSR, FSR. I know that FSR yesterday dropped. And FSR yesterday closed at 1504. And FSR seems like it's going to, guys, I think the EV sector is going to drop a little bit. 1491. Not bad. I think that if it gets to drop to 1412, that will be good. $14 is not bad for Fisker. I think I want to see better candles on the daily. The daily is too bearish to me, and the weekly is bearish to me as well. No confirmations for me yet. No. LI Auto. I totally forgot to add the timestamps, but I'll add him. Don't worry. So LI Auto, $32.49. LI Auto waking up to a price of $31.85. So we are definitely lower as well. The weekly, bullish. It's not bad. Maybe not this week. Maybe next week. Maybe next week for LI Auto, guys. For all of the EV sector, actually, I want to see that weekly candle close. That weekly candle close will be a good thing. So when we come back in this afternoon, we will review that candle for the weekly, which for me is stronger than any daily, because I get a lot of questions from a lot of people. When do you think he's going to do this? I usually wait for the weekly, man. I'm a very long-term investor, guys. Some of you are short-term, which I appreciate, and it's amazing that you're making good profit short-term, but I just don't want to, I don't want to stress. I've stressed too much investing, guys. So I don't want you to experience the same pain that I experienced in the past. That's why I do the videos, guys. I'm gonna be very honest. I was like, man, I don't want anybody to experience this. SBEV, guys, $43.55. We are definitely down, waiting to see, maybe $38, maybe 38, maybe 38. That will be a good price point. XPEV, I'm gonna watch you weekly. Still bearish, and maybe 38 and maybe even 32, guys. Wow, and XPEV went to 74. And we enter on this one on the IPO. See, the same thing, mira, the same thing as Airbnb did. Mira, it went up, it went down, and it went down, created a support. This is where we enter. When we create this support, that gives me the opportunity for entries. If I don't see confirmations, I'm not entering. And that's why patience is the name of the game. XPEV to GM. Dang it. General Motors. My keyboard almost fell to the floor, but we're good. So, General Motors, we reach our target, guys. Congratulations. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. The weekly is bearish right now. And General Motors closed yesterday at 42.87. This morning, we are at 42.45. We are lower, but guys, look at that. We reach our freaking target. Whoa, whoa, Pablo, congratulations. This deserves a little bit of a celebration. Man, I enter at 26 on this one, and it's doing amazing. I think that a retracement to 42 will be a very healthy thing. And $38 could be another healthy one. So I think that there is great potential over here for General Motors. What an insane movement, guys. Look at that. We capitalized on that very, very nicely. I just can't believe that we reached our target. UBS has a target of $50. I think that it can do it, but I'm going to leave it there. Fuel cell, FCEL, fuel cell over here. FCEL, guys. This one is a long-term investment for me. This is not a short-term at all. Short-term is going to go up and down. For example, you can see over here, yesterday, fuel cell created a bullish candle. It closed at 825, and fuel cell today at 803. My positions, my original positions are still in profit. I don't mind what I'm seeing here. If it gets to drop to, for example, 648 or even 380s, that will be fine. That will be a beautiful thing, because if you can create a double bottom, usually, guys, when double bottoms are created, it's an indication of change of trend. We are down, but we are not lower than the previous low. So that's a good sign. I want to see fuel cell today, and I want to see fuel cell closing on the weekly. If fuel cell closes bullish, that's going to be a beautiful thing, because we already got some. Mira, first of all, we feel this freaking wick almost completely, almost. The second thing that I see is that it created a higher low over here for the weekly candle, and this one, today's weekly candle, will close and is creating some higher lows. I think there is great potential for more upside, something that I want to keep an eye on. Still looking very, very nice, very, very good. I think that fuel cell has potential for the future. Any retracement could be a blessing. And then BLNK, guys. Blink charging. Holy mofongo. Let's look at the weekly. Woo, bullish, above the 200 EMA. But David, do you think yes, it can go down a little bit. It can't go down to the 200 EMA. I know it's a little bit of a mess. Mira, let me go ahead and delete all of this stupid mess. You know what? I'm going to clean it. I'm going to clean everything. Boom, clean. I don't even care about the targets. Okay, I still think that BLNK charging has great potential, man. Great potential. Let me add the resistance, supports, resistance, going aquí, more resistance, more supports, getting zooming in. And some people may be asking, David, take a look at switchback energy. I'm going to do it. So give me a second. Man, what a morning. What a week. What a week. It started bullish, and then in the middle, it became bearish. But I think that the weekly is not. Look at this beautiful thing, guys. I think there is great potential. It can go down because, look, the EMAs are starting to cross, and that requires a little bit of patience. And BLNK came out yesterday with a new product, which is basically a pole with different chargers, and that's actually good for urban, like they said, urban areas. And let's see, BLNK, $28.08. So we are actually down this morning, even though the weekly is still bullish. Mira para allá. Not a lot of movement, guys. Not a lot of movement. And I still like it. I still like BLNK for the long term. I like that $35. Yesterday I did a clip. A lot of people not that interested in BLNK, but I am interested because I enter at 188. So gonna keep an eye on that. But David, where can we go next? Well, let's do a Fibonacci. If we go to the upside, if we break the resistance level, we can go higher to even 60, 44, 38. That will be a good thing. And let me delete this. Beautiful. And I'm going to add a support level. See that? When you clean the charts, it gives you a clean perspective. Clean perspective. And I'm liking this. And I'm going to add now a trend line. Boom. I'm going to add my other trend line, which was this. It got broken. Well, now I'm going to do this. Now I'm just expecting this break of a resistance. And if we do, we're going to go up 15%. If we get even higher, guys, I should have done $50 actually $60 as the target. That could have been a great title for the video. Look at that. 100%. $60, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know what you think about BLNK in the chat room or in the comment section. Holy mofongo, we just got another subscriber, R Rosa JR or R Rosa Junior 1. Welcome to the channel.
Boom shakalaka!
Boom chakalaka to you, my friend. And Crypto Cracked en la casa melaza.
Boom shakalaka!
And guys, from BLNK, I want to take a look at Switchback Energy. And then I'm going to do, by the way, I'm going to do Ideanomics, Airbnb, Sundial, Intel, Tilray, Fastly, CRIS. And since we did Fuel Cell, I can delete it. But I'm going to do Switchback Energy. Oh my goodness. Wow. And on the weekly, guys, we're still bullish. But David, we closed yesterday at 41.90. Where is it now? SBE today. Switchback Energy 39.66. So we are down a little bit. That is fine. I think that we're going to continue with some more upside. I think that a break of 44.30s will be fine. I will appreciate it. I think Switchback Energy, we already reviewed, it can't even go to 100, guys. I'm actually expecting a price like that. Any retracement will be a blessing. Switchback Energy, great. One, Citron Research actually likes it. Finally, getting a little bit of the sweet side of Citron, huh? And ladies and gentlemen, let me leave Bitcoin over here as our wallpaper for a quick second. As you can see, Bitcoin on the 4-hour rejecting the 200 EMA. Beautiful. The 1 hour. Ooh. Bullish engulfing and another bullish candle coming up. Let me say hi to everybody. Hey, buenos dias, carnal. Said Mr. Zeman.
Boom shakalaka!
Simón dice, ¿cómo está, Mr. Simón? Fat Nuts, at least right is looking good. Today I was getting a little worried. I bought extra 30 shares yesterday. Ooh, Lordstown. Let me look Lordstown. Lordstown. Lordy. Lordstown, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see over here the daily, the weekly. Papo, espérate. Lordstown looking better now? Let me see something. Let me look at the 4-hour. 4-hour on the 200 EMA. Good. Oh, Papo, we already had the structure. Look at that. David. You already did the review. $20.40. Oh, boy, Pluto. Look at that, guys. It can actually, Papo, 2040 already, baby. Going exactly where we wanted to see. Is there any retracement coming up? That will be much appreciated. We'll see. If we get to break the resistance level over here at 2050s, we're good. Let's see over here. Guess who's back? Trees back. All right. Welcome, Tony Janus.
Boom shakalaka!
280 Davila. Welcome. It will go back to 1,000. They are the leaders on the EV market. Welcome, 280.
Boom
And
shakalaka!
thank you for the golden nuggets. But David, did I miss you talking about IDEX? No, Mr. Simon.
Shut up and take my money.
You're actually in the right time.
It's time to kick ass and chew bubble gum. And I'm all out of gum.
John Stewart is online with me. John, I miss you on the Daily Show, dude. What the heck happened, bro? Welcome to the channel, bro.
Boom shakalaka!
Did I hear Holy Mofongo? Yes, you did.
Boom shakalaka!
Alfred Jarnell, will NIO go up today? Maybe not. I don't know how to say that. Here's the thing, Alfred. I'm expecting two things to happen with NIO. If NIO goes to drop to 35, I may consider to buy more. But NIO already had the ADS offering. I think that it went down a little bit already in the pre-market. And actually after hours, it's at 42.73. I see a little bit bearish momentum. I want to see the lower time frame candles and see if it's going to go up. But guys, here's the thing. I don't have a crystal ball, okay? I'm only saying what are the expectations, right? The expectations for me, for NIO, if it gets to go up, you know what I want? You know what I want to see from NIO? A break of 48. Right now, that's what it is. If we're patient, we'll see it. Otherwise, if it gets to drop a little bit more, we will have to wait to see the same thing. Right now, I don't have any confirmations that it will go up. Right now, it's at 42.60s. 42.71 actually. And it's on a very strong support area as well. I like the 200 EMA. I think that it could. But I want to see what it will do in the opening bell. Let's see over here. Holy mofongo in the house. You got it. Let's see. Do you think TPGY will be the X factor of SBE stock price? TPGY? Let's look at TPGY and see. But my friend Ken Lee, I know that you're here doing some choryukens and all of that, but we say hi to everybody here. So if you can, say hi to everyone and then say, David, I want you to take a look at this one. This makes sense to me because of this and that. Support makes this and that. Because I've been getting a lot of requests lately and there's going to be a moment in time where I won't be able to review everybody's symbol. Bruh. So you gotta stand out even by being a little bit, ¿cómo tú dices? Teniendo un poco de modales. Exacto, modales, como a mí me enseñaron en mi casa. But if you don't want to, I don't know.
Boom shakalaka!
Let's see. Can you look at Helion also, David? Oh, I don't know. Helion is not doing good. I need Helion to give me some more confirmations. Helion right now, it's too bearish to me. It's too bearish for me. No confirmations at all. Look at that. It looks like it can go drop more. Even close the gap at $10. HYLN. Let's see. 1730. At least it went up a little bit. No confirmations for me, Lynn. When I say I don't like it, it's because it's too bearish. And what I want to see is a beautiful thing like we have seen from BioNTech, right? Does it make sense? I want to wait a little bit. I want to wait for a break of this trend line. It's already creating lower lows, so it's something that I want to keep an eye on. This area is very, very strong. So I want to see, at least, Lynn, some break of a resistance. A little bit of a break of $20 over here. It can actually go up 30%. I'm going to keep an eye on it, okay? DMYT, I'm going to add it. I haven't done Palantir. I haven't done it. I'm going to add it to the list. And now, it is time to do Ideonomics, guys. Thank you, Crypto. See, Crypto, can you just do something real quick for me for the next time? Can you have everything in the same message? Do you do Palantir? It looks like a Head and Shoulders in the same message. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and move forward with Ideonomics, IDEX. Oh, pero espérate, before I get there, I got an article for all of you. We got 27 viewers, 27 likes. I like the math. This one I like, right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Looks very, very good, guys. So here we go. For those who are watching Ideonomics, shout out to all of you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ring that bell so you get notified because we do this every day live. And if you have any questions or you have any negative comments, okay, if you are a hater, just dislike this video and go to our live and say anything to me live or the community during our lives. Does that make sense, man? Give me a second. Hello? Yeah, we're talking about the haters. Yeah, you can talk. Let me put you on the speakerphone.
Put a little icy hot on it, turn it sideways, and take it straight up your candy ass.
Yeah, I'll see you a little bit later. Take care, my friend. Try a different approach to EV investing with Ideonomics stock. Yahoo! This is what this article says. Most electric vehicle sector investors are busy focusing on companies that produce cars and trucks. Yet, you might be willing to try something new. If so, then I invite you, and this was written by Luis Navalier from Nasdaq.com or Investor Place, So I invite you to consider Ideonomics and perhaps even accumulate a few shares of IDEX stocks. If you insist on only owning shares of companies that actually manufacture electric vehicles, then IDEX stock might not be what you're looking for right now. Ideonomics doesn't produce electric cars and trucks, but the company does facilitate the adoption of electric vehicles by commercial fleet operators. It's a growing company with its headquarters in New York and operations in US, China, Ukraine, and Malaysia. Yet, many American traders haven't taken a look at IDEX stock. Today, we try to bring Ideonomics the attention that it deserves. So IDEX stock at a glance. The first thing to observe about IDEX stock is that it has the potential to spike high and fast. It's difficult to predict when this might happen, but IDEX is the type of stock that could offer a quick profit to nimble traders. There are numerous examples of this. During the first half of 2017, IDEX stock climbed from $1.15 to more than $3. Later that same year, after retreating below $2, IDEX jumped about $5. For anyone who missed that opportunity, IDEX gave traders another chance to double their money in 2018. That year, IDEX stock again fell below $2 and then rocketed above $5. Similar moves have been witnessed in 2020. We observed IDEX stock spiking from 38 cents to more than $3 in June, and then from 82 cents to over $3 in November. In early December, IDEX stock traded near the $2 level. There are no guarantees, but history shows that this stock is perfectly capable of shooting up to $3, $4, or even $5 again. Not your typical EV investment. When you think of electric vehicle companies, cars and trucks probably come to mind. There's actually more to the electric vehicle market than that. Here's something you probably haven't thought about much lately: 100% battery-powered electric tractors as an alternative to diesel tractors. That's what California's Solectrac develops, assembles, and distributes for our agriculture and utility operations. That might not sound like a red-hot market today. However, it could be next year's fast-growing niche opportunity. According to an Ideonomics press release, electric tractors are poised to disrupt the $75 billion agricultural tractor industry. Yahoo! To capitalize on this, Ideonomics just acquired 14.7% of Solectrac. That investment increases Ideonomics' ownership of Solectrac to 24%. It's a bold foray into a potentially high-growth electric vehicle niche. A prominent hire. Another underappreciated part of the electric vehicle market is electric scooters. Ideonomics subsidiary, Trick Technologies, specializes in selling electric scooters, also known as e-bikes. Encouragingly, Ideonomics recently brought Richard Teo on board to serve as the new CFO of Teo Electric. Teo was previously the director of group finance controlling a Volkswagen Group Malaysia. In this role at Volkswagen, Teo was responsible for the financial oversight of the commercial distribution and manufacturing of vehicles. Altogether, Teo brings to Tree Electric over 20 years of financial control, planning, leadership, and management experience. As you might be aware, Volkswagen is known for making its foray into electric vehicles, particularly with the planned introduction of an all-electric SUV. Without a doubt, Teo will offer vast technology, experience, and overall value to Tree Electric and therefore to Ideonomics and its stakeholders. The takeaway, guys: other electric vehicle niche stocks might be expensive now and possibly overpriced. In contrast, you can own shares of IDEX at an affordable price point. It is an under-the-radar opportunity as Wall Street hasn't pumped IDEX stock to sky-high levels yet. Given Ideonomics' unusual angle in the electric vehicle space, it's conceivable that the company and stock are destined for greatness. On the date of the publication, neither Luis Navalier nor the Investor Place research staff member primarily responsible for this article held, either directly or indirectly, any positions in the securities mentioned in this article, and the same goes for the EIVED, David. And guys, I think we already reviewed this one, but it's all good. IDEX is the symbol to review. You already know that I actually do more technicals than I do more technicals in here. And guys, we said it here that Ideonomics could be dropping to 184, and it is dropping to 184. That's the thing, guys. That's why we review it, because some people just look at it. They get into the hype. They forget about it. And guys, I want to show you the true side of things. Not everything is going to move how we want, right? I think that there is potential for Ideanomics, just like Helion. Helion, if it breaks the trend line and it breaks the resistance, it will be beautiful, right? Just getting a little bit of more confirmations just to give us confidence in our investment, because we don't want to invest in something without any expectations. We got to have a plan. If you don't have a plan, what the heck you're doing, guys? If you're doing a job, if you're working, you have a plan, right? Oh, I got to go. Guys, I used to work in a freaking candy shop, and I had to get my clothes, drive. I had to get there. I had to know the process. I had to learn how to use the machine, how to cuadrar la caja, all of that, guys. You got a plan, and the same thing happens when investing. Sometimes you invest because you see the opportunity for long term. In this particular case, for me, I just want to see if there's any confirmation for me to capitalize on the potential opportunity. Yes, 115%, 475 is one of those. And I actually see it a little bit higher, longer term, but if it gives us the perfect structure, 659, it can even get there, and even higher, guys. It can even go to freaking $11. Actually, 1150. If it gets to 1150, that will be a blessing. I'm watching this, and I'm going to move it here to 1055. 1055 to 1150, that is equals to how much? Wow, almost 4x. Look, 420, Shui. And if we get to go to the higher side, guys, look at that, $14. That will be insane. But let's go back to reality, right? Let's go back to reality. Ideanomics, currently at $1.84. We said it here, guys, that it could go to 180s. Now, when we get there, we will start watching once again this trend line, this new trend line that I'm going to draw. If that trend line gets broken, if this resistance gets broken, we may kick some booty. Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section, guys. I really want to hear you out. What is your opinion about Ideanomics? A lot of YouTubers getting into this hype. A lot of YouTubers doing some videos. I don't see a lot of technicals. I'm starting to see more technicals from the YouTubers, which is good. By the way, send them a lot of love. David and Chewy send a lot of love. We're spreading the love, just like Walter Mercado used to say, my friends. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Keep on kicking booty, and let's go ahead and move forward over here, guys. Let's see real quick. Oh, so now we're going to be talking about your favorite symbols, guys. It's already 8:02. Airbnb, Sundial, Palantir, Intel, Tilray, Fastly, CRIS, TPGY, and DMYT. Let's see over here. Oh, Head and Shoulders looks like Head and Shoulders on Helion. Are you talking about reverse Head and Shoulders? Or are you talking about a Head and Shoulders? In what time frame, dude? Oh, dude. Yes, I see what you're saying. Yeah, definitely. Head and Shoulders. That's why, look at that. Head and Shoulders. It definitely looks like it can drop way more. That's why I'm like very bearish. And you can see it on even on the candles, right? But right now, Helion started to go up a little bit more. If there's any potential, as I said, break of a resistance. Let's see over here, guys. I am a hater of haters. Hi, David. Please take a look on NTPGY, which is the Euro EV charging SPAC, as huge as charge point that went up 200% this morning. You may want to take a look. Still kind of under the radar. Interesting. Kenley now. Kenley, beautiful. Love it. Love it. A little bit of context. Love that. All J Love, welcome to the channel, mi hermanillo. Good to see you.
Boom shakalaka!
Anthony Cervantes says, no thanks with IDEX. It's part of it. People want to get in. People don't want to get in. That's beautiful. EV, go with the E. EV, go with the E. Let me see. I'm going to add it to the list, but you're in the bottom right now, bro. I'm so glad yesterday I used my Robinhood and got 50K margin and bought Tesla at 570 on the dip and sold in after hours.
Boom shakalaka!
Al J Love. Getting some love, huh? Tony Janis, acronym game, IDEX, Italian donuts expect cell phones. What? I think you could find something else for the X, dude. Okay, guys, let's look at Airbnb. Who in here enter at Airbnb, man? Oh man, Airbnb has been a wild ride. I want to take a look at it right now. It is Friday, guys. I'm very happy that it's Friday. Friday. Adding a stream marker. Partying, partying, hey, partying, hey, fun. With them, but the weekend. Rebecca Black, guys. I'm gonna be very honest. This song was stupid, but it was genius. I just don't understand the guy that raps in the middle of the song. But let's go over here, because he had some weird videos after that. So over here, guys, I got Airbnb structure in the 5 minutes. There's not a lot of things to do. Hey, Tony, I appreciate the entertainment and the creativity. Airbnb, guys, 100. David, I got in Airbnb out of 160. My friends, I've been saying it. IPOs are very risky. Some of you capitalized on the opportunity, and I am very happy that you did, you know? But some of you are getting stuck right now with that price. It's not a bad price, I guess. It can get there, but for me, in my perspective, I'm just waiting for a support level to be created. If there's a support level being created, that will be a good thing, because we can capitalize with less risk. Guys, I'm all about less risk and higher reward. Mira para allá, 141.80s. Already going down to the support level that it created, guys. Already down. See that? Not even in the opening price point, guys. 147, we're down from that 4%. It's not a lot, but I just wanted to show you that when IPOs happen, we're going to go up and we're going to go down. It just happens, guys. That's the market. And the thing is that those private investors that had the opportunity to enter the market at 68 or 60 were taking profit over here. They were freaking doubling their money. They're going to get out. They're going to get out. And now a little bit of retracement is obviously good. And what I'll do right now, even though this is the 5 minutes, look at this trend line. This is the trend line I'm going to follow, guys. 150 could be a good one. So not bad, not bad. TC, did I say hi already? Welcome to the channel, my friend.
Boom shakalaka!
And you're saying what do you want? Okay, and then from Airbnb, let's do SNDL. This goes to Cameron Walker and Healthy Young Food, Sundial Growers. Ooh, 47 cents. Let's look at the daily. Ooh, this is creating higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Guys, I'm going to give you a fun fact from me. Do you know that Puerto Rico has a symphony? So it's called the Puerto Rican Symphony. La Sinfónica de Puerto Rico. I actually sang with them 2 times as a baritone. Oh, del mio don. I'm not gonna do it more, guys, because my voice is a little bit messed up, and I gotta preserve my voice because I'm gonna be starting to play out there with bubblegum, guys. Bubblegum is gonna pop pretty soon. I think I gotta go all over the United States and tour. Sundial, mira para allá. 52 cents, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, nice, 14%. We did go to 93, and we're going up. Actually, very good, because my entries were at 39 cents. And I think that there is true potential in this one for the long term. For the long term. It will require patience, guys, because once the Senate votes regarding the marijuana legalization, or at least leveling it to Schedule 1 drug, not Schedule 4, that will be a good thing for it. I mean, guys, even my mom has friends that smoke marijuana, or they use products derived from marijuana. Sundial, guys, great opportunity, great potential. I'm watching it very, very closely. Always keep in mind when investing penny stocks, use disposable income. Never use money that you need. Palantir. Holy mofongo, dude. I totally forgot to freaking add the timestamps today. Oh my God, it's gonna be horrible for me this morning. Nah, it's gonna be good. I'll do it, guys. Don't worry. I mean, if you guys don't mind not including timestamps, I won't include them. It's just that it's a lot of work, guys. And Chewy sometimes takes a long break. You know how Chewy is, man. Right, Chewy? Oh my God, Chewy. And Palantir, guys. We've been riding since $10. $27 is yesterday's close. And PLTR over here, we are at $26.95. So we're still bullish on the weekly, which is the good thing. I'm going to keep an eye on Palantir. I like Palantir still for the long term. Any drop from Palantir is going to be a good thing. I know that some investors here are short term, but I'm a long term investor, as you already know. Intel. Let's do Intel, guys. Intel Corp. Sorry, I was ready for the weekend, says Across Canada.
It's time to kick ass and chew bubble gum, and I am all out of gum.
So, ladies and gentlemen, now looking at Intel, I actually like Intel because it has been creating a great movement. Guys, we reached our freaking target over here of 50 contra, man. Look at that. It happened. It happened on the last week, and to this week, we're just creating some higher lows, which is fine. If Intel wants to go higher, it has to break the resistance of 52. I do like them because they pay dividends, and I capitalized on this opportunity when it dropped to 40s, guys. Very, very nice. And we're back to my previous entry, which was 49, which is very nice as well. I think that Intel may surprise us pretty soon, guys. And then Tilray. Let's do Tilray. Another one for the cannabis sector. Man, my voice. I feel that it has a little bit carraspera for some reason. The weekly for Tilray. Guys, $8.07 was yesterday's close. Oh, man. Guys, don't you ever think that I am crazy? Yes, I talk to myself every day for 2 years, almost 2 years. I'm talking to myself. 805 for Tilray is down. I guess it's fine. I think that Tilray is still on an uptrend. If there's any downside, that will be a good thing. For me, Tilray is getting ready for these EMAs to cross. I think that we are waiting for the cannabis sector to move next year. I don't think this year it could move, but not as we want to see. Fastly, FSLY. I don't care about timestamps. Oh, thank you. I thought you mean we are breaking the record of the likes. We're at 31. No, if we want to break the records, we got to reach 50 likes. That's the record for me now. 50 likes. 50 likes, guys. That's it. And share it with your grandmama, with your grandpapa, with your mother, with your brother, with your sister, with everybody. Hey, that, like I said, that dog that you have that has an Instagram, that corgi that you got in your home, come on, dude. He has more followers than me. Help me out. Help me out. DEIVED on Instagram as well. And Best Bubblegum on Instagram. FSLY, guys. 96.23. 96.23. We are down for Fastly. I think that Fastly needed a little bit of a break, but the weekly is still bullish. I'm liking Fastly. Guys, we enter at 60.6, and it's at 96.23. Am I mad? Not at all. Can it go higher? Yes, it can. It will require patience, and I think that maybe by the end of the day, we will have an impressive end. I think so, guys. I think we're going to have an interesting end of the day, end of the week. That weekly candle is going to be very important for me. CRIS, ladies and gentlemen. Chris, over here, doing amazing. For me, Chris, like I said, another weekly candle close will be better to see. 817, and we are down a little bit. 817. Actually, no, we're actually up on CRIS. And we already have taken the liberty and look at the next potential basically points where price can have issues. I think 11.16 is a good area, and then after that 18. So keep in mind those price points. I think that we are getting closer to that area and doing amazing. If there's any drop, guys, I'm gonna be very honest. If there's any drop from CRIS, that will be a blessing, because let's say that it goes to 357, huh? But now it stopped being a penny stock. Let me look at the daily. Is overbought, on the weekly overbought as well. So this price maybe too a little bit high. If it gets to drop, that will be good. Capitalizing on the opportunity. I can't say too much other than that. It has reached this support level, which can become a resistance, which is breaking right now. So that's why the weekly is going to be very important. TPGY. Woo. TPGY, $11.10 on the daily. There's not a lot of structure on this one. I'm going to try to give you a little bit of perspective with technicals, but don't rely on them because there's not a lot of information. Like I just can't deal with charts like this. That's why I invest usually blue chip stocks, because blue chip stocks actually have structure. Okay? Does it make sense, guys? That way I can capitalize on the opportunities that I see fit. I mean, this can go up. Where can it go up, man? You said to the moon, but that's why I don't like hearing it's going to the moon, David. But David is going to the moon. No, give me a target, dude. The moon has a distance. You know, after the moon, there's something else. Some people used to think that we couldn't go past the sky. Now we can get to the moon, and now we are going to Mars. So think about that. Think about it. DMYT. DMY Technology. Actually, CRS. See, Chris looks good. DMYT. DMY Technology, 1970. We're actually higher pre-market. Nicely done. And the weekly is looking very bullish. See, this one, I can do a Fibonacci. See that? This one, I can do some Fibonacci. Fibonacci. It can actually go to 23, even 25. That's it. That's the only targets that I can do. And let's add some areas that price can have issues, documenting them. Support and resistance, as you already know. And this is only technicals, guys. Only technicals, no fundamentals involved. And daily over here, adding this one. And if it gets to drop to 16, that will be a blessing. He already has done it. So 1970, congratulations for those who did an amazing. And then DE. I think there's some other requests, but I'm going to do DE. DE, dear. Let's look DE. And DE on the weekly. Wow, this is a very expensive one. But that 200 EMA bounce, that was the entry, dude. That was the entry. Right now for this, if it gets to retrace to 250s, no, 230s, 200, or even 159 will be a blessing. Let me add some Fibonacci levels over here. Adding 300, 374, 419, and okay, that's what I'm looking at. And DE, too expensive. 253.45. If it gets to break a resistance of 266, then I can consider that as a buy as well. A buy stop, and then head to 300. It could happen. It can happen very, very soon too. I like that rejection that it created yesterday. Look, a lot of indecision. A lot of consolidation as well, 4 hour. Yeah, man. This is actually not looking bad. Not bad. And then over here, we got over here Hexo. About Hexo, David. Hexo. Let's do Hexo real quick. And Hexo has great potential. But as I said, guys, it requires patience because we require laws to be changed, right? And the United States is very divided in the Senate in many things, and hopefully not in this one, but we got to have expectations. It's 99 cents. I think that if it goes down to create a double bottom or even at 89 cents to bounce on the 200 EMA will be beautiful in the 1 hour. The 4 hour is showing us that it created bullish candles, higher highs, higher lows, and the daily bullish candle yesterday. You can see that the EMAs are starting to cross. This EMA cross from the 50, 14, and the 200 will be very, very important. I've been keeping an eye on it, and I think that Hexo may have an opportunity, but we'll find out, guys. I just want to be patient. I just want to be patient about it, because otherwise we're gonna get some
Fatality.
and we wanna do some, you know how it is. Let me see over here. David, did you see Amazon jump from 30.75 support yesterday? Bear markets are letting it run. Okay, let me see. Amazon. Let me do Amazon, and then I'll do POW, AMCN, and POW. For my friends over here, for J1K, by the way, J1K, bienvenido, mi hermanillo.
Boom shakalaka!
Guys, we got 34 likes. Beautiful. And then over here, AMZN. Yep, we're still in that 200 EMA, dude. We're still in that flaggly flag. Let me look at the daily. Dude, Amazon may drop. But you know what? If Amazon drops, it's an opportunity. I'm telling you, man. I think Amazon will be a blessing. But right now, 30.91 is bouncing on the support. I'm loving it. I'm loving that J1K said Amazon is bouncing on the support. Very nice. It did go down a little bit. I'm going to wait a little bit more. See, I want to see a break of this flag. Wherever he wants to do. We already broke one. Now this is the true test. This is the true test for Amazon. I think Amazon is going to blow our minds maybe by the end of the year. But David, holiday sales, anyone? And then pow. Pow, pow, pow. Let's do it to finish over here our video. Ammo. There you go. It retraced back down to the resistance. Let me see the weekly. But the weekly is showing bullish signs. I'm liking this. And there's still potential for more upside. I like that it broke our resistance that we talked about. Already in profit 15%. But where is Powell this morning is the question. 357. So we're actually higher. Pow doing good. Pow, 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 pow. 3.8%, guys, already in profit this morning. What a beautiful thing. And you know what's a beautiful thing? You guys being here and being part of this community. Thank you all for the great support. You know, you guys always. Jumia opening above 38 pre-market. Ooh, espérate, Jumia. Dude, we talk about Jumia. You remember that? Cameron, I actually got some Jumia. Ooh, Jumi. I got some Jumia. Guys, I got some Jumia since $5.97. But David, $5.97. Look at that. $5.97 and Jumia at $37.92. That's what we do here, guys. We capitalize on the opportunities, and I still see Jumia at $49.92. See you at $40.45. Dude, insane, right, Cameron? We're doing great. I can't even believe it. That was an amazing entry, and this is why the technicals for me is very good, because fundamentals are good. A lot of videos out there talking about rumors and SEC filings and this and that and blah blah blah. And we're like, yeah, technicals. Technicals, dude. And you can see that technicals provided us a lot of signs. We knew when things were going to go down. We knew when things are going to go up. You can see even the double top here. This rejection wick. You can see this break of a resistance to continue with the upside. You can track everything with technicals, which I love. And I hope that you guys are finding the passion about it, for it as well. Use tradingview.com. You know what I will start loving to see from all the subscribers? A link with your freaking analysis. Yes, look, this little take a snapshot button, copy the URL, paste it in the comment section, or paste it in the chat room. Let me know. Members, put it on the Discord. I created a general technical analysis room for all the members to post their technical analysis. I haven't seen one chart. And you know what? That's why I'm going to do that Amazon gift card giveaway, because I want to see some technicals from all of you. Maybe not the members, but the members especially, because I want you guys to grow, because one day David and Chewy are going to go to another planet. We may not be here, and bubblegum may be taking a lot of time for me, and that will be a blessing, let me tell you, okay? If bubblegum explodes,
Hell yeah!
it's going to be a different story, guys. Let me see over here. David, I'm going to have an XRP chart for you on the Discord in a little bit. Beautiful. That is amazing, my friend. Thank you all for being here. I really appreciate you all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ring the bell. Share with your grandmama, your grandpapa, with all your family. Tell your niece or your nephew, hey, niece, nephew, here is $20 for you. And you're going to create, since you are 18 years old now, start investing, put the money to work, get money working for you while you sleep. Keep on kicking booty. And we do this every day with a lot of love. And as always, have a beautiful morning.
Monster kill.